the brains to fly a plane up high, or I was elected president of the world, if I was guaranteed a #1 hit song, do you wonder what I would say? Do you wonder if all the secrets of alchemy were to be shared with me, or the matrix code I was promised to be told? If I could choose the key to any home I'd dream to own, do you wonder what I would say? Do you wonder? If I could choose from a menu of wishful delights, eternal youth, the wisdom of a sage, if any of the above meant I'd have to leave your side, my answer would be no thanks.